Hello, Dr. Tracie here, Ambiente Gallerie. Have you ever been in a car accident? I have, my family has, especially here in Minnesota with our icy roads all winter long. People get rear-ended very frequently or involved in motor vehicle collisions. Why I'm talking about that is it's very important that you, as quickly as possible, go and see a chiropractor. The G-forces that are involved in these high-speed collisions cause severe damage to the ligaments of the spine. That damage makes our spines degenerate or decay faster or age faster, and in several different ways. It causes the discs to shrink down faster, and the little joints of the spines, the one that you sometimes hear make a noise if you're moving around, those decay faster. And your chiropractic care is going to help these things heal, help the whiplash injuries heal faster, and then prevent and slow that process of decay down. So it's one of the very first things you should do as soon as you leave the accident scene is to call your chiropractor immediately and get in.